Here's a very simple spice tea made using easily available ingredients from your kitchen. Ginger, garlic, pepper, carom seeds, cloves, cinnamon and jaggery. Since we are using these spices which are naturally warm by nature, this tea is a perfect drink on chilly monsoon and winter days. Take a glass of water in the pan and to this add all the spices. Let it boil till it reduces to half its quantity. Once reduced, just strain and it's ready to drink. This is a very effective remedy to provide relief when suffering from cold, cough or fever. It is good for digestion and also helps build immunity. This is safe and effective for kids too. Do follow, like and subscribe to Mom's Methods. Thank you.